Umugisha Winifrida, the directrice wa Right School. Twanezerewe ukuntu mwaje uyu munsi, twishimye cyane, byadufashije cyane. Bityo rero somo ryagenze neza kandi n'ibintu mwazanye twabyishimiye. Imana ibahe umugisha, muzagaruke kugira ngo tubakire neza cyane. Umunsi ntabwo twabonye uko tubikora, turashaka kubereka ibintu byo mu Rwanda, ibiribwa, ibinyobwa, imitako igiye itandukanye. Muzagaruke, turanezerewe, muzadusurize n'abandi bose. Imana ibahe umugisha.
Teacher Albert from Right School. We are really happy because of you. We love you so much, and really you are welcome again here. And we appreciate about those materials you bring here for us, and really we appreciate you.
Morning, my name is Vera Kuswe Santini. I like you to visit me, and I am happy very how you are thinking, and what I want to tell you to thank you. You give us advice which is good, how to can wash the hands. Thank you. And I want you to come back to teach us, to give another advice, how you can control the life, how you can live when we are happy. And also I'm telling you to thank you. I'm happy to see you. Thank you.
Thank you.